Hi, and welcome to my ePortfolio. This is my introduction video. So introducing myself, my name is Erin Jameson, and I am 20 years old. I am also from Ocean Township, New Jersey. What do I want to teach? I am currently an early childhood education major with a minor in childhood studies. I also plan to get my special education certification in the master's program here at Stockton, and I want to teach inclusion, preschool, or kindergarten, but my degree will be in preschool through third grade. So some of my hobbies, I enjoy spending time with my family, especially my two younger siblings right here in this picture. This is my 10-year-old sister Kellen, and this is my 7-year-old brother Bryce. I also like to spend time with my dog, my bunny. This is my dog over here. His name is Harley. And this is my bunny right here. Her name is Luna. And another hobby of mine is going to the beach. I absolutely love going to the beach because I live so close. It's so nice to always get to see like the sunrises and sunsets. They're so beautiful. And lastly, what you're going to learn in my ePortfolio. So in my ePortfolio, you will see my philosophy on how to use technology in the classroom, 3 important tools that I think teachers should use that I personally like, my personal learning network, and overall you will understand how I plan to integrate technology into my future classroom. All right? Thank you so much.